Right, we are going to go over how to register, access, and book utilizing Get Your Guide. So if you guys go into the travel cafe from the back office and you scroll down, you are going to find Get Your Guide Global. Now it's very important that you guys go through this link because it's going to link you to the portal so that way you guys are going to be able to make commission. Now here on this page, it's going to show you kind of about Get Your Guide, how the commissions work, contact information, also how to register. Now this setup two-factor authentication, it will give you an example of something you can use or any authenticator app will do. Down here, how to make sure you guys are going to get paid, right? Again, this is why it's important that you guys are going through the proper link so that way your commissions will get paid out to you. You want to make sure you don't end up going through the consumer site to book your clients. There is marketing and training resources for you guys in here in the back office under getyourguide.press. And then here is that TA portal. Now, I always recommend that you guys save those under your bookmarks so you guys can find them later on. Once you are registered and into the actual portal to book your clients, it is very simple to use. I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples. Now, something else that I really enjoy or love about Get Your Guide is it does have an affiliate or share your link, which again is one of 4 ways that we can make money in or with Archer and Evolution Travel. So make sure that you guys are capitalizing on that, and I'll go through the share your link in just a moment. So if you guys, let's say you were booking a client who is going to Italy or they're going to Japan or they're going anywhere, you already have their flights booked, you have their hotels booked, but now we want to dive into the excursions and things that they're wanting to do. So you will simply just look up where is it that they are going. So if you want, you could go ahead and type in Santorini, right? You guys can put in some dates, and don't worry, guys, I am not the best speller, but it will get the idea and the gist of it. So go ahead and click search. And it's going to go ahead and pull up the top activities in Santorini. Now, if you are looking for transfers, you're wanting specific types of things, local culture, sightseeing, you guys can filter utilizing these things up at the top. You guys can also filter by duration. I know sometimes people want a full day experience. If they have a full day, multi-day, if they're just wanting to fill in a couple of hours of their day, then you guys can look at those shorter ones as well. If you guys want to look at different features, whether it's a private tour, maybe you have somebody who's in a wheelchair or walker can't walk as much, you guys can look at these different things here. Hotel pickup is possible. And then obviously prices if your clients are wanting to stay within a certain budget. For that, you guys can utilize those filters. As you guys scroll down here, you guys can see all of the different excursions that they do have available. So let's go ahead and just click on this one, Santorini small group catamaran with barbecue, fresh fish, and drinks. So you can see there it says duration 5 hours. You guys can also read reviews and the stars are on there as well. You guys can see some different photos on here. Now, you're going to go ahead and put in how many adults, how many children. You guys can go ahead and select whatever date it is that you're looking for and check availability. Now it's going to go ahead and pop up exactly what time it's going to start, where the meeting point is. You guys can add any provided information about any dietary restrictions, allergies, or things of that nature. Now, as you guys scroll down, you guys can see there are going to be a few other options here if they're wanting more of an experience. This is a shared sunset catamaran. This is a private sunset catamaran. You guys can see, obviously, there is a significant price difference between the shared and the private. Now, you guys can go ahead and select whichever one. You guys can also look at the different highlights, full description, what this does include, what the itinerary is, Important information, what to bring, what's not allowed to bring. And then as I said here, you guys can also see the reviews for this particular excursion. So if you go ahead and we scroll back up, we can go ahead and add this to the cart. Let's go ahead and um, you guys would need to put the accommodations in there wherever it is that they're getting picked up. Um, no, none. All right, so now you guys can see it is here in the cart. You guys can click check out and you guys can process that. Now, also, you guys, if you were interested in it, you guys can also share the link with your client. So if you guys look here, this is going to actually be your partner code. So this is something that you could share anywhere you are interested in sharing this, whether you're using social media, Reels, if you know somebody who's going somewhere and you want to share your link for this. You guys might also hear us talking about affiliate links, and this is another affiliate link. But you can also send specifically for individual tours. So let me go ahead and pull up another one for you guys. That way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so now I went ahead and I put Paris. Wasn't sure if there would be tickets for Paris Disney there, but I went ahead and I put Paris. You guys can see all of the different options here. We're going to go ahead and just click on this one for Paris. It's a 1 hour, it looked like a 1 hour river tour. And you guys can see here that link that I'm talking about where you can share this specific link for this tour. Now you can see here where it says Paris 1 hour sign. Right? So now let's think about if you're doing a reel on social media, you're talking about Paris, a story or a short, and you guys could simply add this link in there. And that is what we call passive income, where you guys share your links, they book, you're going to be able to earn commission for that. So again, once you guys have something in your cart, you're going to go ahead and proceed to checkout. It's going to ask you for all of your clients' information. It's going to have your details as the travel advisor, and then you're going to go ahead and proceed to payment. Now, after you guys go ahead and book this, don't forget that you guys want to head on over to your travel site, fill out your commission tracking form. That way you guys get paid. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but here on the registration page, it does say that you get paid 16% commission on all bookings you make in the first 60 days of registering. Anything beyond that is going to be 12%. So you guys can easily figure out how much commission you will earn on that booking. So again, 12% of that total amount, and then you're making that 80% or 60%, 50%, depending on where you fall in there.